Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Echo Talk Studio. We are so happy to see you here today. If you are watching us for the first time, this is the place where we help you improve your spoken English in a very simple, practical, and real-life way.
Exactly, Layla. Here at Echo Talk Studio, we don't teach boring English. We teach real English, the kind you can actually use in your daily life, when you talk to friends, coworkers, neighbors, or even strangers.
Before we start today's topic, we have a small request for you. If you want to improve your English and you enjoy our content, please like this video, subscribe to Echo Talk Studio, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment below. Your support helps our channel grow.
Yes, your one like and one comment really motivates us to bring more useful content for you.
So, Majnoo, today we are going to talk about something very common, very daily, and very important in English conversations.
That's right. Today's topic is how to talk about weather in English.
Weather is one of the easiest and safest topics to start a conversation in English.
Absolutely. You can talk about weather with anyone, your teacher, your boss, a shopkeeper, a taxi driver, or even a stranger.
Majnoo, why do you think weather is such an important topic for English learners?
Because weather is something we all experience every day. You don't need special knowledge to talk about it.
Exactly. You don't need high-level vocabulary. Even simple sentences are enough.
And when you start talking about weather, the other person usually feels comfortable and continues the conversation.
That's why weather is called a conversation starter in English. Let's start with some very basic weather words.
Yes, these are words you hear every day.
For example, sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, cold.
These words are very simple, but very powerful.
Let's use them in sentences.
Yes. It is sunny today.
It is very hot outside.
It is cloudy today.
It is raining heavily.
It is cold in the morning.
These sentences are short but completely correct.
Now let's talk about temperature.
Yes, people often ask about temperature in English.
For example, how's the weather today? Is it hot or cold outside?
You can answer like this. It's very hot today. It's quite cold today. The weather is pleasant.
The word pleasant means not too hot and not too cold.
Very useful word.
One very important rule in weather English is using it is.
Yes, we usually say, it is hot, it is cold, it is raining, it is snowing.
We don't say weather is raining.
Correct. We say, it is raining.
Let's focus a little on rain.
Rain is very common in daily conversation.
Some useful sentences are, it's raining a lot, it's raining heavily.
You can also say, it looks like rain. It might rain today.
The word might means maybe.
What about wind, Majnoo?
For wind, we use the word windy.
For example, it's windy today. It's very windy outside.
You can also say the wind is strong today.
Now let's talk about clouds.
When the sky is full of clouds, we say it's cloudy.
For example, it's cloudy today. The sky is cloudy.
Sunny weather is everyone's favorite.
Yes, you can say it's sunny today. The sun is shining.
Very positive sentences.
Now let's learn how to ask questions about weather.
This is very important for conversation.
Some common questions are, how's the weather? What's the weather like today?
You can also ask, is it hot today? Is it cold outside?
Let's do a small real-life conversation.
Sure.
Hi, Majnoo. How's the weather today?
It's quite hot and sunny today.
Yes, it feels very warm.
Simple, natural, and correct.
Weather also affects our daily routine.
Yes, for example, I can't go out because it's raining. It's too hot to work outside.
These sentences make your English sound more natural.
Majnoo, many learners make small mistakes when talking about weather.
Yes, like saying, today weather is hot.
Correct sentence is, the weather is hot today, or it is hot today.
Here's a simple practice tip for you.
Every day, look outside and say one sentence in English about the weather.
For example, it is cloudy today. It is cold this morning.
This small habit will improve your English a lot.
So, talking about weather is easy, useful, and very important for daily English.
And this is just the beginning. There is still a lot more to learn about weather vocabulary,
Lila,
expressions,
earlier we
and
talked
natural
about basic
conversation.
weather words and simple daily conversations. Yes, and now let's go a little deeper and talk about seasons and how weather changes throughout the year.
This is very important because people often talk about weather in relation to seasons.
In English, we have 4 main seasons.
Yes, they are spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter.
Let's talk about them one by one using simple English.
Spring is the season after winter.
In spring, the weather is usually mild and pleasant.
People often say, the weather is nice in spring. Spring is my favorite season.
You can also say, flowers bloom in spring. The weather starts getting warmer.
Now let's talk about summer.
Summer is usually hot.
Common sentences are, it's very hot in summer. The temperature is high.
You can also say, it's too hot to go outside. Summer days are long.
In spoken English, people often complain about summer weather.
Yes, like, this heat is unbearable. It's extremely hot today.
Autumn is also called fall, especially in American English.
Autumn weather is usually cool and comfortable.
Some useful sentences are, the weather is cool in autumn. Leaves fall in autumn.
You can say, autumn evenings are pleasant. I enjoy the weather in fall.
Winter is the coldest season.
Yes, and people often say, it's very cold in winter. The weather is freezing.
The word freezing means extremely cold.
You can also say, I can't stand this cold. Winter mornings are very cold.
Now let's talk about temperature in a more natural way.
Instead of always saying hot or cold, you can use better words.
For hot weather, warm, very warm, extremely hot, boiling, informal.
For cold weather, cool, chilly, very cold, freezing.
It's warm today.
It's a bit chilly this morning.
The weather is freezing tonight.
These words make your English sound more advanced.
People also talk a lot about weather forecasts.
Yes, especially when they are planning something.
Common sentences include, the weather forecast says it will rain. It might be sunny tomorrow.
You can also say, there is a chance of rain. According to the forecast, it will be hot.
Let's talk about bad weather.
Bad weather includes rainstorms, strong winds, and extreme heat or cold.
Useful expressions are, the weather is terrible today. The weather is awful.
You can also say, the weather ruined my plan. I stayed home because of bad weather.
Now let's talk about good weather.
Good weather makes people happy.
Some natural sentences are, the weather is lovely today. It's a beautiful day.
You can say, perfect weather for a walk. The weather is amazing.
Weather also affects our mood.
Yes, and people talk a lot about this in English.
For example, this weather makes me lazy. Sunny weather makes me happy.
You can also say, rainy days make me feel relaxed. Cold weather makes me sleepy. Let's do another real-life conversation.
Sure.
Why are you staying at home today?
Because the weather is terrible. It's raining heavily.
That makes sense.
People often talk about weather when making plans.
Yes, like, if the weather is good, we will go out. Let's check the weather first.
Weather is often used with if sentences.
For example, if it rains, I'll stay home. If it's sunny, we'll go for a walk.
Common season and weather mistakes.
Many learners say, in summer season, weather is hot.
Better English is, in summer, the weather is hot.
Simple correction, big improvement.
Here's another easy practice tip.
Talk about seasons in English when the season changes.
For example, winter has started. Summer is ending.
This will help you think in English naturally. So now you can talk about seasons, temperature, and weather forecasts in English.
And as you can see, weather conversation is not difficult at all.
There are still many useful expressions and
now that
advanced
we've
ways
covered
to talk about
basic
weather.
Yes,
seasons,
and we will continue
daily
exploring them.
conversation, let's move toward more natural and advanced English.
Yes, this is the part where learners start sounding more like native speakers.
Exactly. Today, we'll focus on weather expressions, idioms, and real-life usage.
Idioms are very common in spoken English, especially when talking about weather.
Yes, and many idioms use weather words but have different meanings.
One very common idiom is under the weather.
It means you are feeling sick or not well.
For example, I'm feeling under the weather today.
It doesn't mean real weather, it means health.
Another popular idiom is it's raining cats and dogs.
It means it's raining very heavily.
For example, take an umbrella, it's raining cats and dogs.
This is a beautiful idiom.
Yes, it means that even bad situations have something good in them.
For example, I lost my job, but every cloud has a silver lining.
Native speakers often share opinions about weather.
Yes, not just facts, but feelings.
For example, I love this weather. I can't stand this heat.
You can also say, this weather is perfect for me. I hate cold mornings.
Let's learn some stronger expressions.
Instead of saying very hot, you can say,
It's scorching. It's boiling outside.
instead of saying very cold, you can say,
It's freezing. It's bitterly cold.
weather plays a big role in travel conversations.
Yes, people always check weather before traveling.
Some useful sentences are, what's the weather like there? Is it cold at night?
You can also say, I packed warm clothes because of the weather. The weather was amazing during my trip.
Let's imagine a travel conversation.
Okay?
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yes, the weather was perfect. It was sunny and pleasant.
Very natural.
Weather also affects our routine.
Yes, like sleeping, working, and exercise.
For example, I couldn't sleep because it was too hot. I skipped my walk because of the rain.
These sentences sound very natural in daily English.
Another common topic is weather changes.
Yes, people often say, the weather is changing, or it suddenly got cold.
You can also say the temperature dropped. The weather warmed up.
Weather is often used with time.
For example, it was hot yesterday. It will be cold tonight.
This helps you speak more accurately. Let's do a longer conversation example.
Sure.
How was your day?
Not great. The weather was terrible and it affected my mood.
I understand bad weather can be frustrating.
Very natural, very real.
One mistake learners make is using idioms in the wrong situation.
Yes, idioms should be used carefully.
For example, don't say it's raining cats and dogs when it's only light rain.
Here's a fluency tip.
When watching movies or series, listen to how people talk about weather.
Repeat their sentences out loud.
This will improve pronunciation and confidence.
Using expressions and idioms makes your English sound natural
Yes, and weather is a great topic to practice this.
because it appears in daily conversation again and again.
So now you know how to talk about weather like a native speaker.
From idioms to travel talk, from feelings to daily routine.
There is just one more important area left to explore.
Majnoo, we've
Yes,
talked
and
about
that will
weather
bring
in
everything
daily
together.
life, seasons, expressions, and even idioms.
Yes, and now let's focus on how weather is used in workplace conversations, social situations, and deeper communication.
This is where learners really start sounding confident in English.
At work, weather is often used to start professional conversations.
Yes, especially in offices, meetings, or online calls.
For example, "Good morning, how's the weather today?" "The weather is quite cold today, isn't it?"
These sentences are polite and friendly.
They help break the silence.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well despite the cold weather.
Yes, the weather has been freezing lately.
This kind of talk sounds very professional.
Weather is also a very common topic in social events.
Yes, like weddings, parties, or family gatherings.
For example, "The weather is perfect for this event." "We're lucky the weather is so nice today."
People often connect weather with happiness.
Earlier, we touched on weather and feelings.
Now let's go a bit deeper.
People say things like, "This gloomy weather affects my mood." "Bright weather lifts my spirits."
You can also say, rainy days make me feel calm. Hot weather drains my energy.
Now let's talk about extreme weather.
Yes, this is important for news and serious conversations.
Some useful words are heat wave, storm, flood, heavy rain, strong winds.
For example, there is a heat wave this week. The storm caused a lot of damage.
When watching news, you often hear weather-related language.
Yes, like the temperature is expected to rise. Heavy rainfall is expected.
Learning these phrases improves listening skills.
Let's do a longer, natural conversation.
Sure.
Did you go out today?
No, the weather was too hot. I preferred staying indoors.
I understand. This heat makes everything difficult.
Very realistic conversation.
Talking about weather can become a daily English habit.
Yes, and habits improve fluency.
Every morning you can say, "It's sunny today. It's cooler than yesterday."
Small steps, big improvement.
Let's quickly mention a few mistakes learners should avoid.
Don't translate directly from your native language.
Instead of saying, "much hot today,"
Say, it's very hot today,
weather is one of the best topics to start thinking in English.
because it's always around you.
When you feel cold, say it in English.
When it rains, describe it in English.
So today, we explored how to talk about weather in English in a complete and practical way.
From basic words to advanced expressions.
From daily life to work and social conversations.
Weather may seem like a small topic, but it plays a big role in English communication.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please like this video.
Subscribe to Echo Talk Studio for more English learning content.
Share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
And don't forget to comment below and tell us how the weather is in your city today.
Enjoy this video, keep practicing, and we'll see you again at Echo Talk Studio.